should have took this. Ooh, that garlic strong, y'all. Ooh, that's some good garlic. It's strong. And a little seasoning. These. And then I'm going to slice my tomato, my lettuce is already sliced that close. And yeah, I don't think I'm going to make that sauce. I'm going to use ketchup. I know you're supposed to make the little sauce and all that. I don't have time for that today. I do not have time for that. I'm going to season my burger up, my ground beef. Put onions and peppers in the ground beef and with the patties when I make them homemade. I don't feel like doing that either. So I'm just gonna saute and put it on top. Put some bacon. Look at them fries. It's gonna be so good. I don't know why I love my lettuce at the bottom. Lettuce at the bottom. There's some romaine lettuce. I cut my bun a little lopsided, but it's okay. Then 1 tomato. Oh, yes. And some onions and peppers on top of that. And then bacon. I should have put my bacon under the tomato. Let's remove bacon under tomato. 3 pieces of bacon thin like that. And a little mustard. More than a little mustard. And then I got my girls right here. I got my fries, crispy, fresh, seasoned fries. Yes. That's so good. Alright, y'all, and then now I'm gonna put my bun on top, and I got my butter, garlic, and herbs that they put on top. Let's taste the fry before. Oh, it's good. Habanero ketchup. from Arby's. That is good. It's not that hot either. I usually don't like spicy. Mmm. That is good. Y'all overlook my nails. I'm going to get them done tomorrow. Look at that. Let's take a bite.